Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of geometric probability, specifically focusing on how we can use area to determine the chances of an event happening. So, what exactly is it? Think of it as a method for finding probabilities by comparing sizes. Instead of counting individual successful outcomes, we measure and compare geometric properties like length and, in our case today, area. The fundamental principle is straightforward. The probability of an event is the ratio of the favorable area to the total possible area. In other words, you take the size of the region where you want to land, and you divide it by the size of the entire space you could possibly land in. Let's consider a classic example, a dartboard. Imagine a square board that is 2 meters wide. If you throw a dart and it lands randomly somewhere on this board, what is the probability that it hits inside the inner circle, which has a radius of 0.5 meters? First, we calculate the total area, which is the area of the square. That's 2 times 2, giving us 4 square meters. Next, we find the favorable area, the circle. Using the formula pi times radius squared, we get about 0.785 square meters. Dividing the favorable area by the total area gives us approximately 0.196, or a 19.6% chance. Here's another scenario. A point is selected at random from inside a large rectangle that is 10 units wide and 8 units tall. What's the probability that this point falls inside the shaded triangle, whose base and height match the rectangle's dimensions? The total area is the area of the rectangle, 10 times 8, which equals 80 square units. The favorable area is the area of the triangle. That's 1/2 times base times height, or 1/2 of 10 times 8, which is 40 square units. So, the probability is 40 divided by 80, which simplifies to 0.5. There is exactly a 50% chance. To solve any area-based probability problem, just follow these 3 steps. 1. Identify the total area, which is the entire space of possibilities. 2. Identify the favorable area, which is the specific target region. And 3. Calculate the areas and divide the favorable by the total. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Geometric probability uses the concept of area to determine chances. The core formula is always the favorable area divided by the total area. The process involves identifying these 2 regions and then performing the division. This simple idea can be applied to all sorts of shapes and scenarios. And that's it for our introduction to area-based geometric probability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Have a question? Leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer it. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.